How to log into Cash app with Cashtag. Hey everybody, welcome back to Let Me Help. In today's video, I'm going to show you if it's possible or not to log in through your Cashtag. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Cashtag app from your device. So as of today, you cannot get logged into your Cash app with your Cashtag. Here is what you can do in other ways. Once you launch your Cash app, you will see this page. Now simply enter your phone number, and in case you don't remember your phone number, you can also use your email. Tap on Use Email, and here simply type in your email address and tap on to Next. As you enter your email address, a code will be sent to that email address. Now go ahead and open up your Gmail and enter the confirmation code, then tap on to Next, and just like so, you will get logged into your Cash account. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button. We will catch you up soon.